sure the home race is always a special event for us here in the Temple of Speed. It's a track that I like a lot. There were a few changes with the new tarmac, new curbs, new chicanes. We will have a lot of fun here. Of course, the target is the win.
It's difficult always to explain, you know, when you are with the Ferrari as an Italian driver, the feeling is just unique.
Monza is known as the temple of speed. The top speed here and the average speed around the lap is generally one of the highest of the season. There are a lot of high braking areas where you have to be very confident on the brakes. And I think it was very important for me yesterday to understand, for example, the system of the ABS, which is not existent in hypercar, how it works, how I can use it to my benefit.
Actually, Monza for me is literally my home track because I live in Lesmo, which name also one of the corner of the circuit. So it's really my garden. I love the layout of the track. Temple of Speed. You need to be very precise in the driving. Every little 100 counts.
Monza is a special circuit. The amount of history here, but also, I suppose, driving a Ferrari at Monza, even as a British driver, does have a special taste, a special flavor to it, especially surrounded by all the guys in the garage, all Italians. Everyone's very excited for the race. You feel the atmosphere buzzing. Everyone has friends, family. It's really cool to be here and experience that, even as a guy from the UK.
Really push hard. We want this pole position, even for the 1 point that is important for our championship. And starting the first row with clean air, I think is best. I really hope to give a joy to our fans here in Monza and maximize the points for our championship. That is our target. And of course, being a Ferrari in pole position in Monza is always special.
Yeah, the team was 51 was great. We achieved nonetheless a podium. We were on pole position this morning, which was an amazing achievement, and definitely felt the extra motivation racing here. But unfortunately we came short, but very happy, and yeah, can't wait to go to Jeddah now and join 71 again. But I really appreciated the experience.